my channel. It's your girl Anora, and I am back with another. So yeah, in today's video is all about this wig cap I did. So many people have requested that Anora we need a review on this wig cap, on how it really looks on you. For today I am coming in reviewing how the hair really looks on my hair, how I style it and all the rest. So guys, without further ado, let's get into the video. And thank you the new subscribers, I see you guys. Thank you so much for tuning into my channel. You're much welcome into the channel. I do everything on this channel, so you're much welcome here. And for the old subscribers, thank you guys so very much for stopping by. You're much appreciated. So guys, I will first go in now and I try to cut the lace. When I'm done taking off the excess lace, I will just go in and feed it on. So when I'm done, I'll just flip it over, and this is how it is right now. This is how the hair is looking like right now. I will just lift the hair up a little bit, send it behind, and try to put glue on my hairline. And I applied my glue on my hairline. I will just go in now. Sorry, I'm looking on the mirror. If you see me looking this way, no, you get on the mirror. So I just go in and attack it from here. So yo, when I'm done in slaying the hair down, this is how it is right now. As you can see, the hair it's been laid, everything it's laid down. Start now by slaying down my baby hair, and what I'm using is this black gel and a mousse and my worn out toothbrush. The baby's hair has been laid, so I will just go in now because I want to put the hair all behind. I don't want to style the hair any better, so I'll just try to comb the hair all behind. Like guys, this hair is freaking long, like so long. And I'll just go in now with mousse, try to slay the hair down well, put it on the front. When I'm doing this, I just want the hair to lay down well and to take shape, so that's why I'm going in with this. So I'll just comb the hair now over behind. As you can see, the hair has taken its shapes, like it has taken its shape. Now the hair all is laying behind, and I will just go in now and I try to tie the hair up. So I'll go in now, tie it up for at least 5 minutes or more, then I will be back. So guys, for the length of this hair, I was getting worried over the length of the hair. I was like, it's gonna show up like the short one. As you guys know, I did the hair with the 16 inches of 360 closure, so I was like wondering if it's really gonna be nice. But guys, the hair is really nice. Like I really love the hair. As you guys can see it from the behind, you can't even figure it out where the 360 lace closure ended. So I really love the hair, and the length is so freaking gorgeous. So I'll just go in now and I take this off, and this is how it is right now. So guys, this is all about the hair. You can part it from anywhere you want, like it's a 360 lace closure. You can part it from anywhere. You can part it at the middle, you can part it at the side, but for I decided to go in with the hair like this. Okay, so I'm not going in with any parting. I'm just gonna go with the hair randomly like this, like at the side. So I'm just gonna go with it this way. So this is how I'm gonna rock the hair. I hope you guys love the video. So you can create your wig. It doesn't matter the length of your closure, okay? It doesn't matter the length of your closure, because I didn't believe I'm gonna create this gorgeous wig with this 16 inches of closure and a 26 inches of band. So I created and it comes out really nice. So I love the hair. So I hope you guys enjoy watching the video. I love you all so very much. Thank you for the last video. I saw so many share and like and comments, sweet comments on the video. I really appreciate you that share the video. Thank you. I love you all so very much. I definitely will see you guys in my next video. Until then, bye and peace out.